Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video in a constant contact email. All right. So first up, let's go ahead and go to the left panel and make sure that we are under the Build tab. Okay. Under this tab, we do have the blog section. Now in here, locate a video. All right. This one, drag it and release wherever you want. For example, at the top right here, as you can see, we now have the video block. All right, just click on it, and at the top we have the edit button. Click on it, and here it's going to need a video URL. So basically all you have to do is just look for the YouTube video. For example, I'm going to go ahead over to our channel right here, and then I'm going to select a video, for example this one. Okay, I'm going to click on it to open it up, and I'm going to go to the top, click on the URL box, right click, and then hit on copy. Once done, you can go ahead and close this one. Click on the text box right here or URL box, right click and hit on paste. Wait for it as it's generating the thumbnail. All right. Also, you can go ahead and connect your Vimeo account. If not, just leave it blank, and then you can go ahead and change your thumbnail from here. Okay. You can use your images under your library like so. If not, you can leave it as is. All right. Alternative text right here, which will be displayed to the viewers who cannot see the thumbnail image. Okay. For example, watch me. Insert. There you go. You can go ahead and make it bigger by dragging these arrow keys. All right. Like that. When you hit on preview, it will look like this. Okay. You can just easily tap on the video, and the video will play on a different tab or in here inside your email. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.